Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandro. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong January 29. And for today, we are going to talk about a very, very, very crucial question for Christians and for those that believe God. It is the question of paano nga ba maglingkod sa Panginoon or Bishop. So, as His faithful believers, kinakailangan tayo maglingkod sa ating Panginoon. And hopefully, ma-discuss natin yan today using the verse of 1 Peter chapter 5 verses 1 and 2 na nagsasabing, "Shepherd the flock of God. So, I exhort the elders among you as a fellow elder and a witness of the sufferings of Christ, as well as a partaker in the glory that is going to be revealed. Shepherd the flock of God that is among you, exercising oversight, not under compulsion, but willingly, as God would have you, not for shameful gain, but eagerly." Sa Tagalog, ngayon, bilang kapwa matanda at isang saksi sa mga pagdurusa ni Kristo, bilang kabahagi sa kaluwalhatiang ihahayag, ipinapakiusap ko sa mga matatanda sa inyo na pangalagaan ninyo ang kawan ng Diyos na nasa inyong pangangasiwa, na maglingkod bilang tagapangasiwa, hindi sa pilitan, kundi bukal sa loob, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Ni hindi dahil sa mahalay na pakinabang, kundi may sigasig. So, first off, I would like to expand the term used, elders, no? In the New Testament, the terms bishop, pastor, and elder refer to the same office. Kumbaga, same jurisdiction. It's a same type of classification, no? And therefore, the Bible teaches the priesthood of all believers. Hindi lang po ine-exclude all believers daw. It teaches the priesthood for all of us. So Christians must serve God in various altars. Hindi lang po sa isa, kundi sa panglahatan. So seek a church where you are empowered to serve, where you can be held accountable, and a church that aligns more closely with the New Testament. What does this mean? Doon ka po sa church, sa bahay-sambahan, na pinapalakas yung kanilang power to serve. Na kung saan kapag ikaw ay may ginawang kakulangan, or meron ka pang dapat i-improve sa sarili mo, you will be held accountable. Pinapaalam ng church na yon na ikaw ay kinakailangang mas mapabuti pa ang iyong sarili. And in that way, you will serve God. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.